Hey guys, today we're gonna install the hook on the tail of Dodge Journey 2012. For doing this job you need first remove these two backlights by removing these pins. That one already I did. Then lever a little bit and pull it out and disconnect the connectors. Then you need to remove this rear bumper, exactly the same. You have to remove these to access also from here. You have to remove these locks to be able to remove the bumper. For after this I will make another video shot to show you the underneath.